Hello everyone, this is Teacher Kristina and welcome to my YouTube channel. So kung bago ka pa lang sa aking channel, huwag kakalimutang i-click ang subscribe button at ang notification bell para lagi kang updated sa mga bago kong videos. So sa video na to ay ituturo ko sa inyo ang Lesson Exemplar English Template. So kung subscriber ka na sa aking channel, napansin mo na siguro or napanood mo na ang Lesson Exemplar Preparation, ang Lesson Exemplar Template, Tagalog version, and ang mga modules are module preparation. So dito naman is for the English template or for the example para sa English subject. So ito namang example natin ng lesson exemplar in English is katulad din naman ng lesson exemplar in Tagalog version. Yun nga lang, syempre, ang language na ginamit dito is English. So first is the grade and section. So lalagyan lang natin siya ng laman kung ano yung grade and section na hawak natin. The teacher, of course, your teacher's name or your name, the date, and your school. So nakalagay din dito kung para saang week siya. So, let's start with letter A, the content standards. So, syempre, maglalagay ka dyan ng content standards, ng performance standards, and the learning competencies or objectives. So, alam naman natin, since matagal na tayong gumagawa ng lesson plan or ng DLL or ng daily lesson log, alam na natin kung ano yung mga dapat ilagay dito sa A, B, and letter C. For letter D naman is the most essential learning competencies or MELC ang ilalagay natin dito. Of course, meron na tayong copy ng MELC or the most essential learning competency and ito yung pagbabatayan natin kung ano yung dapat ilagay natin na MELC dito kung para sa week na to and sa quarter na to. For the enabling competencies and enrichment competencies naman, so nakalagay dyan, if only available, ilalagay natin dito yung mga competencies na yun for the enabling and the enrichment competencies. Next is the content. Siyempre, yung topic natin. The third is the learning resources. So, yan nga, dahil matagal na naman tayong gumagawa ng DLL or lesson plan, it's just the same. Ilalagay mo yung references mo dito, yung teacher's guide na ginamit mo, yung pages, learner's material na ginamit natin, and the textbook pages na ginamit nating references. Also, the additional materials from the learning resource are the LR portal and the list of learning resources for development and engagement activities sa lahat ng references na ginamit natin isilalagay natin dito. Sinubdivide lang siya dito para mas identified natin kung anong resources ba yung ginamit natin. Next is the procedures. So, dito na tayo mag-i-start sa procedures kung saan, syempre, ang gagamitin natin is the idea template for the lesson exemplar. So, idea is for introduction, D is for development, E is for engagement, and A is for assimilation. So, for introduction, ang introduction is how will you present the lesson to all types of the learners. So, dapat masasakop niya or magiging appropriate siya sa different types of learners or sa diversity of learners. So, communication skills is dapat ma-develop natin dito sa mga bata and dapat yung interest ng learners is nandoon. Yung context of learning, how they will use it in their real life, dapat may apply natin dito. So, ano ba yung meron sa introduction? Nandyan yung what I need to know and what I know. So, yung what I need to know and what I know. So, ilalagay natin dyan yung activities natin or pwede rin naman yung examples natin na syempre, yung activities, examples, and exercises na ilalagay natin dito kay introduction is makikita rin natin sa ating module. And also, yung what's in, nandyan din kay introduction. For the next one, for the idea, lesson exemplar template is the development. So, in the development side, ano ba yung dinedevelop natin na content dito para sa foundation ng skills ng mga bata? How will you develop the mastery of the given competency? So, this part, ina-expose natin yung learner sa kung ano yung alam nila at kung ano yung hindi pa nila alam at mga dapat pa nilang malaman. So, dito nagkakaroon na ng collaboration. So, ano ba yung makikita dito? Pwedeng maglagay tayo dito ng games or other exercises. So, what's new and what is it? For the engagement part, it's what appropriate pedagogical or real-world tasks and learning opportunities yung pwede mong i-present o pwede mong ibigay para sa ating mga learners. So, ang nakalagay dyan is, what's more? So, yan, nandyan na yung iba't iba pang exercises and activities. So, for the assimilation naman is what I have learned. So, dito, test na natin kung ano yung natutunan ng mga bata. What are the ideas or contexts that will be assessed and processed so that learners can assimilate and refine their knowledge, skills, attitudes, and values. So, dito madedevelop na yung ideas nila, interpretation, yung values, and pieces of information is mabubuo na, magkakaroon na sila ng realization and the reflection. So, ano yung nakikita natin dito? What I have learned. So, dyan pumapasok yung generalization natin. What I can do. Ito naman yung ating evaluation of learners. And the last part is, syempre, yung reflection. The reflection of the type of formative or assessment used for the particular objective.